Hello, Ru. What will you show us, Ru?
I told you that.
Yes.
Just like me right now.
Okay, what will you show us? Wow, what's this?
I can.
Okay, be careful, Ru. Ooh.
Daddy, how's the blue jeep?
I don't know. It's like a red Jeep, Ru.
Yeah.
The wheels.
The blue jeep turned red.
Yes. This is the Filipino jeepney. Oh, try to go down. We'll check the other. Yes. Come, wait. I'll carry you. Ooh. Ouch. Ooh. Oh, go. You show them at the back. The back of the jeep first. Wait, be careful. Ooh.
At the back of the jeep.
Wow, there's a stepboard. Stepboard, nice. Ooh.
Wait. Even there's a handle.
Yes.
Oh. Now I can see inside. It is tiny little window.
Yes, look at the roof.
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay, what else will you show me?
The other jeep.
Okay, go. Careful. Ooh, you don't have to jump, roof. Go.
Oh, yes. Whoa. Look at that jeep there.
Wow, this is...
On the ground. Let's go see this one. Daddy, there's a lot of toys and rats.
What?
I'll climb on this one. Oh.
Okay, wait. Just leave this
Ow!
here
Ow!
first.
Ow!
Go.
I Woohoo!
Sit. You might fall.
Whee!
Do not touch that too much. It might get destroyed, Ru.
Ooh. Dad, I'm wearing Skechers. I'm wearing Skechers. Ooh. Daddy, look at the lights.
Oh,
of the
this
jeep.
jeep is forever love.
Whoa, there's a horse.
Yes.
There's a horse. Why there's always no truck in this jeep right here? Like this.
Okay. So, what else?
Oh, me.
Show them the back.
Okay.
Wait,
Can
I'll
you
just
carry
put...
me?
I'll just put this here first.
Yeah. It will not fall.
Will not.
It's videoing that.
Oh, wait. Oh no.
It's okay? Ah, how do you get it?
Wait. Okay. We're sorry. Our cell phone fell down. So, these are Filipino jeepney.
Yeah, it's gone.
Here in the Philippines.
I think it got destroyed the skateboard. Oh.
Yeah, it's too high. Wait. You might fall.
Ooh.
Ru,
I can see ya.
hold tight, Ru.
Daddy, that's inside the jeep. I can see it.
Okay, hold tight. You might just have to sit first. Sit. Okay, just sit. Sit down. Sit down, Ru.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the inside of the jeep. Sit. Put down your feet like that. Just sit. Sit like that. There.
Hey, even I can hold on. I get off. Let's go. Whee.
So this is the orange jeep, Ru.
Yeah.
Orange jeep
Yeah.
and the red jeep.
Yeah.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And let's go home.
No, we better see that part.